Hello, Vively fans, ready to join the Vively community on your Android device? Let's get you set up in just few easy steps. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Here, at the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Vively and hit enter. Look for the official Vively app. It should have the correct logo and developer name. Tap on the app to open the details page. Now, tap on install button and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, tap open to launch the app. If you can't find the app in the Play Store, don't worry. Sometimes apps are region restricted. To fix this, try updating your Play Store. Once you have the app, sign up or log in and start vibing. What's your go-to social app right now? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.